Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Master the Craft, and today we are going to master how you can create 30 YouTube shorts or even more in a single day. So let's begin. First of all, what you gotta do is you gotta come to this website named glass.co. It's a website which you can create YouTube summary with ChatGPT, or you can transcript YouTube videos. What we gotta do is we gotta install on Chrome. I'm using Brave, but you can install Chrome extensions on Brave too. Once you've installed the extension, you gotta come to YouTube and find any podcast you like. Once you are on YouTube, you will see the extension installed, and you just have to click that right arrow button to transcript the video you are on. You can see the video is transcripted, and you can click on any timeline anytime you want the video to go. And for example, I want the video to be played from like 257. So you just have to click on 257 and it will start from 257. Once you have selected which part you want to use for your YouTube shorts, you just have to go and download this out. Once downloaded, you also gotta download a gameplay. For example, you can just download GTA 5 gameplay, non-copyrighted, because that will help you prevent reused content on YouTube. Now you can use any video editor you like. I'm using vid.io. It's an online video editor which you can use. It's free. It just gives you a logo at the top right, which you can remove it pretty easily by using any video editor software by just cropping the video. So I'm using vid.io. It gives you free captions and everything. So you gotta import your video, import your clip, crop it, edit it. Like the timeline which you set 257, I'm cropping it that right now. And after that's done, you gotta crop the video. You gotta crop the video from top to bottom. For that, you gotta import your gameplay clip and you just gotta go and adjust the size of it. Once that's done and you're satisfied, you can just go to captions and generate captions for this podcast. You just gotta go to subtitles, auto subtitle, and you just have to select the clip which I imported and generate subtitles.
So you didn't actually.
And adjust subtitles like however you want to edit it. I'm just giving a tutorial how you can do it. You just gotta go to subtitles and styles, and you can select any text, any font you like, and you can edit it from here. So now you gotta upload music to your shot, and I have did it. So now let's see how it looks like.
No, you did.
I believed it. No, like not believe whatever. I think I was just so focused I wasn't really thinking of it.
Yeah.
So that whenever we went out and stuff like that, then it was just like, you're meaning the same.
So that's how you can easily create 30 shorts or more in just a single day. It hardly takes around 10 to 15 minutes to create one, and you just gotta export the video and it's done. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.